Hey, this is Ken with Casual Furniture World. Just wanted to introduce another great new product we've brought onto our floors for this spring and summer selling season. We have Gozney, which is a great outdoor pizza oven brand that is gas only. That you can also do gas and wood in some of their larger units, but we're very excited for these. They come in several different sizes at a very affordable price. So we start with the tread, which is the guy at the end here. This is great for portability, tailgating. You know, if you want to be on the go, if you want to go camping and have your pizza oven, there's a carry bag available for this. There's a stand. This is great for one pizza, probably a medium size or personal size pizza. But the thing to know with these is, you know, once your dough and everything's prepped and you make your pizzas, you're only cooking for like 90 seconds to 3 minutes. So very quick cooking. So you can pop out, you know, several pizzas in less than 10 minutes. So once you're set up, you're ready to go. The cool thing about Gozney that I like is their burner assembly is all on the left side, and it does offer a great convection style cooking experience with the gas, so your pizzas get really evenly cooked with just one turn needed. They offer a lot of cool accessories. They even do their own pizza mix that you can buy at our stores and prep it with just a couple ingredients at your home. So quick turnaround. If you want to go a little bigger, get a digital display, not an analog display, you're going to want to jump up to the Arch. Arch comes two ways. It comes in this blackish greenish color and white, and you can get it in the smaller size as well as the XL if you want to do a large pizza or maybe two personal pizzas. The regular Arch is going to be good for a medium pizza, probably just one pizza at the time. You do get the digital display that lets you know what the internal temperature of your pizza oven is, so you know what you're ready to do. You may want to get an actual infrared gun to see what your plate is temperatures at, because your temperature here is going to be towards the top of the actual pizza oven. Once again, you can get this on a stand. You can do it on a countertop like you see here. It is propane based, so all these come with regulators to hook up to a standard propane tank that you would get at like Walmart or Lowe's Hardware. These also, when you get up to the Arc XL, you can add a mantle shelf that gives you a little bit of extra cooking space. So if you have a couple pizzas and one's hanging out a little bit, that gives you a little bit of extra edge space on your pizza oven. So like I said, tons of cool options with these pizza ovens. They also do have larger pizza ovens that we do have available that are hybrid pizza ovens, meaning you can incorporate wood into your cooking experience to give yourself a unique taste when you're cooking a pizza oven. On the three that we've just looked at, they are primarily gas only, but you still get the great pizza oven taste that you're going to be wanting at a very affordable rate. All three of these pizza ovens are under $1,000, so adding them to your outdoor kitchen or adding a pizza oven to your home can be very affordable, and you can cash and carry and take it with you today and be cooking on pizzas this evening. We're going to show you one of their other portable options at their entry-level price point here in a second, and we will be getting the larger pizza ovens probably in the next couple months for our floors as well. So lots of cool things with Gozney that we're excited about here at Casual Furniture World. So this is the Roccbox. This is a cool, also portable option. You could definitely take this camping. They raise this up with these legs that do break down into a smaller position, so you can pack it up very easily. This pizza oven does come with your regulator standard. You can hook up to a standard tank. Does come with a pizza peel as well. So this is one of the only pizza oven that they give you a peel. Normally you're going to be buying your peels separately depending on what you want to buy. But great pizza oven. You're probably doing more personal size to medium sized pizzas here, but great price point at $3.99. So you get a peel, a pizza oven, portability, for a very good price. So if you want to add a pizza oven to your outdoor space, you see this gives you some clearance here for the heat coming off of this. It's a great option to add if you just want a small pizza oven to be able to do some personal pizzas on the go. So other option, this is their entry-level pizza oven. Once again, you can get a pizza oven on your patio for $3.99, and it performs and does a great job. And we have a lot of cool accessories. We have the peels, we have the pizza rockers, the pizza cutters. We even have the dough trays, because traditionally after you make your dough, you're gonna want that dough to sit for several hours before you actually prep your pizzas. So traditionally you're gonna prep your pizzas probably in the morning, early afternoon, get ready for the evening, your dough will be ready and set, and then you can prep your pizzas. So you can get these refrigerated, put it in your dough trays, and have 6 personal pizzas ready to go in the evening. So lots of cool accessories we carry here at the store. Come by and check them out and see which one is going to be the right one for your patio.